We're sitting on the Vela sofa today. If we talk about the design is very airy. If you have got a lot of sunshine coming in, if you've got a lot of different elements coming in a wall, this sofa fits perfectly in any of the living room settings. The best thing about this sofa is got the curvature arms on it, which makes it very lean and can look very airy in any living room which you want to put it in. So the best thing about it covers your lower back comfort. You do not get tired if you're sitting for longer hours. It gives you an inertial comfort. When you sit on the sofa, it gives you a very nice bounce to it. The best thing about the sofa is the fabric, which is dust retardant. No matter if you're having a pizza or having a beer on the sofa, if it falls, it's all easily dry cleanable. Plus, it's very easy vacuumable, which makes it very easy for you to handle it in your house. The best thing about the structure is that is made out of elm wood, which is actually grown in very lower temperature, which makes the structure very tensile. For example, the sofa is being made under 4 legs, which is this is all metal, and it is covered in wooden legs, covered in a wooden veneer. Plus, it's got a middle support, which makes it very tensile and very hard for any foam. No matter if you're relaxing on the sofa or jumping on the sofa, it makes it very, very tough. And if you don't like the color, if you want to go with different colors, different cushion patterns, we come with a lot of different color options, different fabric options as well. If you want to go with boucle, if you want to go with leather, you want to go with leatherite, you want to go with nubuck fabric, you want to go with polyester blend, you want to go with cotton mix, we've got all the fabrics coming with us. So Avian is actually importing from a lot of brands. We're doing 65 brands all over the world. And you can choose different fabric compositions. You can go with different seating options. For example, you can go with an L shape, you can go with a 4-3-1-1, you can go with 3-2-1-1, or just a normal 3-seater with an extendable back. We've got you covered in all aspects of life.